Hey guys, so in this video I want to talk about navigating your stickers. So you have quite a few pages of stickers in here. You have over 850 stickers that you can choose from, almost 900 I think. And so your basic stickers here that you see on the right hand side, you have this page, this exact page, and the 7 different colors that come as your planner's palette. So you can reach those by looking at these dots under the basic stickers. Whichever color you click on is going to take you to the page that has all of these on it. The next thing that you can look at is you have these pro stickers here. Right there you have them for goal setting, self-care, household, health and wellness, finances, and lists. And these are really useful. They're really functional for everyday stuff that you need to do. So if we click in here, let's do finances. So this pulls up your finance sticker sheet. So what you can do when you're in here is you click up here on the note-taking menu, you click on the lasso, and then basically any sticker that you lasso you can copy and paste wherever you want in your planner. For example, let's say on January 27th, on my birthday, I paid for a birthday gift, and so I'll just lasso within the sticker. I don't have to go around the whole thing. I can just lasso within it. I can press and hold with my finger. It'll bring up these options. I can click copy, and then I will get out of that menu. I can go to January, the week of my birthday, the day of my birthday, and down here I can press and hold and paste. And I can resize the sticker however big I want, however small I want. I can move it to where I want it to be, and then I just click out of it. And then I can write in, I spent $600, hopefully not that much, for me on a course. And that way I know that I spent that money. You can use these anyway. There's plenty of different options to use them, but that's essentially how you do it. You're going to use your lasso tool to lasso around your sticker, or you can lasso inside. But I want to show you around because now what I'm doing is I can copy, and this isn't necessarily relative to this sticker, but I can copy and then I can paste it elsewhere, and it will paste the text along with it. Or you can go up into your lasso options and choose not to take handwriting. You can lasso around your sticker, and then you can click and hold, copy, and click and hold and paste, and it won't take the text with it. So there are just a lot of options to use those. That's how you can use the stickers within Goodnotes. There's one other way using the PNGs, and I will show you that in another video. But those are just the basics for navigating your stickers in the Goodnotes planner.